Is there going to be a coalition between PDDS or PDP with Lakas CMD?
No. No, I cannot because nandyan si Marcos eh. Hindi ako believe sa ano. He's really a weak leader. Kaya ako sabi ko, totoo yan, hindi ako naninira na tao. Talagang weak. Kasi spoiled child, only son. Pero kasabihin mo, may crisis, gano'n.
Maraming nagsasabi, nababasa ko sa dyaryo, nababasa ko, naririnig ko sa radyo, television, nasa ng mga flood control. Nandyan ang mga flood control, na-overwhelm lang. Anong gagawin natin?
GSIS investment po, ng online gambling, yung DG Plus daw, pero nalugi yung kanilang investment. Isa po ba ito sa mga factor kung bakit
No.
may apprehension ang government?
No, nothing. I didn't even know about that. Hindi ko alam na may ganun yung GSIS.
Parang proud ka pa, Mr. President, na di mo alam?
In a while, dadaan yung bagyo. We have to change our thinking and say, look, this is the way it's going to be as far as we know for the rest, for many decades to come.
He's a weak leader.